Send them back where they came from. Let them come here legally. Send them back where they came from. Build the wall right now. I never thought I'd see this. The country's turning left. There is one man that can help, and his name is Donald Trump. Send them back where they came from. Let them come here legally.
Fuck's sake.
Right, it's getting recorded now because it's fucking. Of course, when we're not recording, it's funny. Oh, there it is.
People now know how to drive it.
Do you? Eh?
Uh-huh.
Sure you do. It's like seeing your dad like start up his shitbox. Oh. Yeah, you can drive it, aye. You fucking
He goes so far.
fucking dad's on the booze again, can't drive his car.
Eyes front. Whoa.
He's not exploded yet. I was kinda confused how it fucking exploded last time.
That's probably because I just kept my foot in the gas. What the fuck?
What?
Did I just push into?
I can see black mist emanating from where you are, but I don't know if that's just exhaust or if you just exploded.
Oh, it fucking certainly isn't.
What, the exhaust or?
Whoa. Fucking come and look
What
my
is
phone.
that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that alive?
Fucking hell.
Oh. What is that?
I don't fucking know. Get in.
Getting the fucking shitbox. That only works for you. It leaves the driver. You didn't...
No.
Oh my fucking god. You...
I'll quit out if you're about to die, so it saves it.
Let me like move you. Stop fucking dying.
Fuck off, I didn't think it would kill me.
Oh yeah, the ejection seat that launches me fucking 50 million feet in the air. I don't want to know what that thing is. I bet that's gonna come alive or something.
Well, I mean, I assume so. I assume it's not a fucking decoration.
Oh, come on. Oh, is it fucked? No.
You're making it, you're making it.
Oh. Am I making it through, aye?
You make it. Wait, what if you eject our seat from there? Is it just gonna launch you forward?
That's a good question. Oh, can I get in it? Ejectile seat, cuz. Oh, yes it is.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So it's like... If you like hold down W, that's like you properly pushing on the pedal. Oh, fuck. Can I get in? There we go. Drive. Look at this. It's already 1 PM. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fuck.
This is a safe time.
I don't have enough clearance here. This is... Oh! This does seem like a more of a fucking 4-man escapade. Fuck that, I'm leaving it. You can't get any closer anyway, can it?
I don't think so. This isn't the map for it.
I think it can if you go the long way. What even would be the map for it?
I don't know. When did you just leave the fucking boat in there?
The what?
You just opened that cupboard, left the scrap in there.
Oh. I didn't even see this.
Fuck's sake. Nah, fuck.
Oh, brilliant. Fuck it. Oh. That
Yeah, you
works?
can go out, it goes off, yeah.
Is it still on the floor in there?
It used to die though, when you go outside. I guess they changed that.
Did it take all my stuff?
Did it?
Oh,
No, it's dead
gone.
behind.
Oh, it's on the... Great. Fuck off. Oh, you eat... Fuck it.
Better go get your shovel back, mate. Oh, you can fuck him up.
I can't fucking... I've got to...
You can fuck him up. You can absolutely fuck him up.
I can't fuck him up, pal.
You can, mate. Just hit him.
Is that? No. I'm not... You want me to die? Oh.
You're gonna die anyway.
I'm definitely leaving, that's for sure.
You're definitely fucking dead.
I don't know how I did die there. Oh, yeah, shit. Oh. Yeah, but should I just say fuck this stuff? They fuck. They fuck. Where's my car? I'm getting out this gaff.
If you can survive, I'll be genuinely fucking impressed.
Get me in the gaff. I've got 4 hours to make it back. Alive.
You're right, we
Slow.
need to inject some fucking artificial, like, urgency here.
You are. You've just doomed any chance I've had of making it back.
No, don't fucking believe in yourself, mate.
You can't even see in front of me. On the road again. Fuck. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fuck. Fuck. Right, just restart it. Just restart it.
No, I'm watching this to the bitter end.
Right, fuck it. Fuck the ship then. It's the second time you've killed the 2 of us. Well, you've killed... Fucking... Actually, no, you killed me twice there because you fucking activated the escape sequence. Or
You would have
whatever it's
died
called.
anyway.
I would have fucking lived. Fuck off.
You would have died anyway.
I would have
Shot-
lived. I would
shot
have
in
lived.
front.
Look, I made it away from like, what, 3 different creatures in there, right?
Yeah, that was a fucking worm at the end there. That would have killed you.
Are you getting shit? Or are you just fucking around?
I don't need to get shit. I'm alright.
No, I'm getting...
I'd rather have the 4 slots. I'm rolling back. I'm rolling back.
You're the best driver on the man.
Fuck off! I just watched you.
Fuck off, I'm better than you. Oh my god. Oh my... What were you saying?
No one can be better than me.
Hold on.
Fuck. No, you didn't press that.
Are you alright?
Right,
Get
fine,
back
you can
in.
drive.
No, you get back in.
You can fucking drive.
You drive.
You fucking drive.
No, I insist, I insist.
Oh, mate, it sounds so fucking good. Pop your fucking tyre.
Fuck off. No. That would have fucking set me in the roof by the cup.
Oh, don't fucking sit in it.
Okay, go on then.
Having it.
Oh no, I didn't take any damage. Right, let's go. Let's go, honey. Yeah, no. Right, go. Right, back to this fucking process. Turn the magnet off. Brilliant. Oh, are you not driving anymore?
No, I'm alright.
Oh, fuck off! Fuck off!
I think there's so many opportunities to fucking sabotage the driver.
Oh no! Let's go this way. No! Put that down! Okay, I'm not bothered.
You know?
I can't wait for that again. Oh my god, this music, fucking turn that off. It's like speeding up. Oh fuck's sake! Fuck off! Fuck off! I'm fine, you want to do that then, dickhead?
Oh my fucking god. Look at my body.
Are you dead? Oh,
Yes!
just
Fucking
restart
kill
it.
me on the...
Don't deattach it yet. Oh. Did they change this map? Oh. Hold on, let me
Try and reverse it.
Oh yeah. No, please, no. Still trying to exhaust.
You can see that outline up under the fucking water.
Can you see that?
With the way I can swim for it.
Alright, go on then, go swim for it. Take it for a test drive. What do you want me to detach it?
Uh-huh.
I know.
So careful. Maneuver.
Don't go. I think the water's to the right. Oh, that makes me ground. Oh. Oh my god! Just destroyed the tree. Oh! Oh! All we have to make is $200 fucking dollars or whatever it is.
No. Now that we're from this truck, we're never gonna fucking do it.
No.
Right, you get a normal lease.
Oh no, I'm already here.
Then go back.
I can't, I'm stuck on something.
Then go forward. Right, go back.
I'm gonna just go round it.
Fucking bold strategy.
Oh, the bridge is here.
Hold on, let me get in the front.
Fuck, what was that? Oh,
I may have accidentally pressed E to push instead of E to use door.
I don't know I can move this now. It was working there for a wee bit.
Press space.
Oh,
You kind of move it.
oh yeah. Oh, oh, fuck.
This is actually better than fucking driving it.
Stupid fucking hell. That's something to my head now.
I'll push it to victory.
Oh,
Help! Help!
oh, bye. I don't have it, please. What did I do? Get in the car.
Help! Ah.
See ya. Oh fuck. Oh, I'm taking off. I'm fucking. Get a shovel. Can we get a shovel or something? That didn't work. That does work.
He's stuck on. I can't hear anything over the horn.
Turn it off. Where's the horn?
I can't.
Fuck. Right, let's go. Let's go.
Pure fucking chaos.
I can't go. Get the fuck off his head. Why did it make it sound like that? Fucking hell.
Fucking hell.
This car. Oh, no.
It's still on. Fucking. You're alive.
I'm alive.
Alive. I fucking survived.
Yeah, just keep going. Fuck the fucking cruiser. Shite.
It does have unlimited warranty, doesn't it?
Does it?
I think so, it said that. Fucking
We'll test that out then, right? Oh, you're taking off. I can't do it. What can I do?
Help. Help. They're taking me out the fucking map.
even in here. Oh, I see! I see! How do you even deal with them? You can't use like a shovel, can you?
I don't fucking know. What? I didn't know there's fucking hundreds of them still in here.
I'm pretty sure you brought them in.
Yeah, well, how come there's so many?
They're breeding fast. Oh fuck.
Oh, I found the thumper by the way.
It's you, pal. Oh. Oh fuck. Oh, I'm dead.
How did you even die there?
Don't know. Okay, how the hell are we supposed to get up near the facility in this map?
Well, I suppose you can just drive up to it.
Oh, oh, oh.
We're over the hub.
There we go. Are we?
Yep.
Fuck, that's not even. Fucking. We're fine.
We're alright. Don't fear.
I feel like a driving instructor.
Oh my god! You feel like you're driving instructor now?
Oh, it's fucking awful.
Let's go. Look, we're just going on a nice cross-country.
Are we, aye? We're going in circles. Back in the fence.
It's okay. This part will be on the test.
I'm apparently destined for all
You
this.
need to know. You need to know how to do these kind of manoeuvres if you want to be a driver like me.
Do I? Fucking fifth time we've went into this fucking fence.
Think watching your dad play Mario Kart.
You're fucking terrible. You're fucking shit. Oh, you're fucking shit.
The steering wheel was straight.
What's that? Aye. Hold on, I'm gonna actually bring the truck. You go in because you actually are good at getting supplies. I'll bring the fucking truck. At least I can fucking drive the thing. I'll bring the truck. I'll bring the truck round.
Go for it. Since you can drive it, of course.
I can't fucking drive it, fuck you.
Go.
There we go. Right, it only took about fucking 4 tries.
Only took an hour and a half.
I go that way. Alright.
That was not too bad.
Oh, hi.
I was watching the whole time.
Oh.
Oh wait, if you keep going round, you can go right to where the ladder is.
Oh, can I?
Yeah. Like just skip
yeah.
that fucking hill and go around.
Right, I'll make this ladder.
Yeah, bring it up there, and then like reverse it so we can make a quick getaway.
Hold on, yeah, I'll do that actually. Fuck. I have removed the key, so don't know if I should have left that in.
I would probably keep it running, but fair enough. Low emissions, mate.
Oh, mate, come on. Think of the planet. What was that?
Don't know. There's a guy with a shotgun.
Guy with a shotgun? Are you dead?
No, I'm still alive.
Yeah, I know you're shitting me.
I'm not. You have to go up behind it and press E, and I think it fucking shuts it down.
I don't really want to do that.
Well, you get a fucking shotgun if you shut it down.
Oh, do you? I want to do that.
Yeah, you get a shotgun. At least we can get a shotgun out of it.
Are you dead, aye?
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't know he was there though, he just came up behind me and shot me.
Oh.
You have an advantage here.
Did I get no? Okay.
By the way, I was bullshitting you about that thing anyway.
You have to get a shovel, don't you?
Yeah.
You fucking arsehole.
And have a wee go at it. It's not too hard anyway.
Is it not?
It's pretty rudimentary stuff. Oh fucking hell!
Oh, Jesus Christ!
I didn't even press that. I didn't hold it down.
Holy fuck! You started it so quickly.
It requires a gentleman's touch.
That does it, aye, yo man. Your gentleman's touch is like fucking crooning it into a wall.
Well, mate, I'm good at that. I tried to press space for the handbrake. It did not work.
Are you dead?
Oh, brake is S. Oh wait, yeah, I knew that.
Is that you? That's a rock. We're trying to see where you are.
I'm at the fucking ladder, mate.
Are you?
Yes. Get fucked. I did that faster than you did.
I don't give a fuck. Thing looks damaged.
No one fucking cares if it's
It's
damaged.
fucking smacked
got
into a
here.
wall.
You can go here about 2 hours faster.
Fuck off. Yeah, it took 10 hours to start up.
Fucking Sunday driver over here.
Fuck right off.
Not in a fucking hurry or anything.
How many times did you blow up?
Oh, 0 in this life. Canonically 0.
Hold on, instead of like leaving them at the ladder, I'm gonna put them in the car. So we need to like quickly run away while they have all the shit in there.
I just stepped on a mine.
Oh. I see which one you said. What the fuck is that? Oh.
Oh, there's a spiker, is it? There is no way there.
Yeah, I know, I was directly under it, I had the fucking like...
Go back to the spike trap I want.
No.
Please.
Why?
Cause.
Did you just get hit by the spike trap?
No, just cause.
Looks like you got hit by the spike trap. Why did you get hit by the
Get my
spike?
body.
It's already
Holy
took it.
shit, by the way, when you went in there was a fucking leg. I'm not even taking the piss.
What?
There was a thing fucking creeping out of the darkness when you, like, as you went out that door. I just turned my camera around. I'm not
Oh.
even fucking with you. There was like a fucking leg stepped out of the darkness.
Oh, brilliant. Is it a
I want to see
bracken?
what. I don't know if it was an item or not. Like, it just looked like a fucking leg. Hey, go back in. To your left immediately. Oh, it was a pipe.
Oh, fuck. It's a fucking leg. It's a fucking leg.
It was, mate.
Job well fucking done. Job well done.
I left it running for you.
Oh, you're so kind. Oh no.
Oh, you better get it unstuck.
Oh, we should fucking park it before I do that.
Time is of the essence.
Oh, come on, man. Fuck off.
I mean, you do your best work under pressure.
Oh, you've just fucked this. You're awesome.
It's fucked from the start. You'll do it, mate. I believe in you. Go and put those fucking dangerous driving skills to use.
Fucking go. Come on. Oh, fucking fickle. Come on. Fucking go.
Come on, mate. You can do it.
Come
Not
on.
long now.
Turn the back on. Fuck it. Turn the back on. No. What's for me? Come on. Yes. Fuck you. Fuck you. I made it. Don't care.
See, I told you would.
You're an arsehole.
I knew you just needed that wee push.
Let me take out all the shout of it first, at least. Oh. That bit will be in the bog.
No, it's not.
I wonder if like you get counted in the ship if you're like
Oh
on
no!
the side.
Oh no!
What? Oh.
Yeah.
How the how? I can't even get close enough to like push it out.
Oh, I would have died immediately.
Oh, can you restart it? Fuck's sake. Stop fucking with the truck! You're you're so shit with the truck. Oh, my shit's here.
Do you want like a fucking crash course in driving?
No.
You fucking do.
No, I don't.
That's what takes you a fucking metal as a driver.
Right, go on then.
It's like collapsed.
You want the horn?
Can't fucking stop that.
Oh my god, my ears.
Right, I'll stop it.
Oh, fuck off, done that.
He's still fucking trying to start. Right, hold on. The clothes are a gentleman's touch.
That does as
I
well.
told you.
Right, are you driving it then?
No.
No, get in. You're an arse.
No, I can just fucking stop. Get in the fucking driver's seat.
Fuck. Put that fucking shit
The
off.
music makes it to like a silent film. Are you fucking hammered? What
Fuck's
would
sake.
this be? Put your fucking foot in the pedal, grandma.
Put the fucking... Oh, you want to put the foot in the pedal, fine. You want to put the foot in the fucking pedal.
I'm gonna send you fucking this thing round.
I don't know
I'm gonna
why.
send you a fucking woody end.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, no, I keep getting. Are you dead?
Yes, I'm fucking dead.
I didn't even realize you were dead.
Look fucking to your right, by the way.
Look at that. They're all eating you. Oh no.
Right where? Oh yeah, shit.
I'm gonna take some of the bottles with me.
I can. Oh, the giant just saw you. I wonder how he saw you. I can see you staring at him.
There is one man that can help, and his name is Donald Trump.